Thanks for meeting us back here on GCPS Tech Tips. Over the next few episodes, we'll take a deep dive into some of the activities and features that are available in Nearpod. The activities that we will cover today, 3D objects, virtual field trips, and simulations, make learning hands-on. Before we get started, if you or your students are having trouble accessing Nearpod, check out our previous Nearpod episode, Nearpod Access and Introduction. Once you are logged in, you will select Create and then Lesson. There are lots of activities to choose from. The 3 tools we'll cover today are listed under Media and Interactive. Nearpod 3D allows for 2D objects to take on a whole new perspective. This feature allows students to explore objects and places right from their Chromebook. Students can also see microscopic objects such as red blood cells and DNA in a big way. Once you have found your desired 3D object, simply double-click to select and add it to your Nearpod lesson. You can use the Preview Lesson button in the top right to see how students can interact with the 3D object you've placed in your Nearpod. Virtual field trips in Nearpod allow you to take your students to places all over the world from within your classroom. Take your class on a VR field trip without needing any special hardware. Instead of exploring an individual artifact, your students can be fully immersed in a location. Select Phet Simulations can be added to Nearpod lessons. These give students the opportunity to see and engage with math and science concepts. The experiences are sorted by subject area and level. Let's look at a simulation together that reviews electrical charges and static electricity. Students are able to move the balloon to simulate the movement of charges. Different variables can be manipulated in the simulation to see the impact on results. Nearpod 3D, virtual field trips, and Phet Simulations are 3 powerful tools that can bring the outside world into the walls of your classroom and take student learning to the next level. Be sure to join us next time on GCPS Tech Tips, where we will be exploring other interactive activities in Nearpod, including memory, drag and drop, and matching pairs. Be sure to subscribe to be notified when new episodes are released.